part of faking it till you make it is what we love to say in Jamaica, turn your hand make fashion, which translates to doing the best you can with what you have. And that's exactly what I'm about to do by recreating this Mason Margiela splice pants. Even on sale for $222, we're not doing all that. So I'm gonna go ahead and remake it using this Aeropostale, good old Aeropostale jeans, which I got for $13.99. So let's make it happen. In all honesty, I started using this pair of pants to make something else, which if you've watched the previous video where I confessed to having a bad habit of not finishing stuff that I started, here we go, prime example. Started, did a little bit here, and then in minutes I'm like, anybody got time for that? Tired over it already, so I aborted the mission. Unfortunately, who knows, maybe some other time I'll pick it back up. I'm going to re-stitch the sides of this one, cut the legs, flip it inside out and upside down, and reattach it to the top of the pant. Also quite big, so I'm going to have to take the sides in or make darts in the back, whichever one. When I try it on, I'll see what I prefer. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that now. Here I'm just going to cut the bottoms of the pants off, straight across. Up. We're going to turn each leg inside out. Just like that. And then we're going to reattach each leg. Going to do is fold that over, tuck this inside. So we're going to tuck the top of the pant inside the leg, and I'm just going to pin these, line up the seams. Spin this all around. So I'm gonna go ahead off camera, pin that on, and then we're going to stitch it. Got one leg down. This one is all set. This one is pinned and ready to go. So I'm just gonna stitch this one and we're done. This was super quick, very easy. This is what they look like on. I am so happy with how they look. This is definitely gonna be like one of my go-to pair of jeans. They're just different, simple, but they just look good. They fit good. They have the perfect detail to just give your outfit the right amount of edge. As you can see, this upcycle is really easy, and if you don't own a sewing machine, you could actually use fabric glue to do it. So you have absolutely no excuse not to try it. And if you do, don't forget to tag me at Margo Makes, and I'll see you in the next one.